It is so cold tonight. My back leg hurts so much. Do not worry, Mom. I am here. I will watch out. I am scared. Hush, little one. Sleep now. Okay, Mom. I promise. I will not leave the nest. Rusty! Hey! Hey, Rusty! Look down! Look down now!
What is it, Luna? Why are you shouting?
A monster! A real monster in the snow! Look at the ground! Whoa! Careful! Careful! I am looking down now.
Oh no! It is a giant snow fox! He is so big!
What is he doing down there? Is he eating the snow? Oh, wait! The crushed berries! My feet smell like sweet food. He smells your feet! He is hungry! He wants to eat us!
He is climbing up! Oh my gosh, he is so fast! I surrender! Take me, fox! Please do not eat my family!
Stop that right now! You cannot give up!
Ouch!
Okay.
You are right, Luna. I must be brave.
We go down and stop him! Follow me!
Ouch! This bark is so sharp! It hurts!
Be careful! Do not fall, Rusty!
The wind is pushing me so hard.
Hold on tight, Rusty! Grab my hand! I cannot reach!
Whoa! I'm slipping! Help!
Help me! Pull me up, please!
Phew! That was too close! I am so scared!
Pull yourself up! We must hurry! Okay, pulling now! Get up, Rusty! We cannot rest yet! Just 1 second, please! Oh no! The fox is coming! Please be safe, my brave boy! Chirp! Chirp! Big fox! Danger! Quiet, please! You will show him exactly where we are! Fly away! Fly away! Run! We must escape the big monster!
Grrr. Roar. I smell you.
Oh no! He sees us now! He is too fast! I will distract him! Watch me!
Wait, Luna, no!
He has big teeth.
I am a flying squirrel. Take this, you bad fox. Wait, where did the fox go? Ouch! My poor nose.
Luna! No! Please do not fall!
Help! Rusty, I am stuck. I cannot move.
What is that sound? Is there another monster? He is looking right at me. He wants to eat us.
Help me up first, you silly panda. My cape is tangled.
Give me your hand, Luna. Reach out to me.
I am trying. My arms are too short.
I got you. Now hold on tight.
Pull me up. Pull hard.
Thank you, Rusty. That was very close. We are not safe yet.
Look! He is climbing faster now. His claws are so big. We must climb back to the nest. We must hide.
He will find your mother and baby brother. We cannot run.
Oh, the wind is so loud. It sounds like crying. Why won't it stop?
Squeak! 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 Shh, baby. Everything is okay. Please keep my boy safe.
You are right, Luna. We cannot go up. We must stop him.
Look over there, Rusty. Look at the brittle dead branch.
I see it. It is just soft snow. So what? If a branch shakes, snow will break and fall down.
Exactly. The snow will fall right on the fox's head.
Hold my hand, Luna. Do not slip.
The wind is too strong.
It is blowing me away. Help!
We must crawl on our bellies. Keep your head down.
Careful, Rusty. This wood is old. It can break easily.
I know.
Roar.
I cannot do it. I am so scared. Let us run.
You are a red panda. You are not a coward. Ouch! Why did you do that? Show him your true colors. Distract him right now.
Okay. I am a warrior. I am a fierce panda. Hey! You big ugly white monster! Look at me! Now, Luna! Now! Jump on the branch! It is not breaking yet. Jump higher, Luna! It is working! Watch out below! Yip! Yelp!
Macho! Macho!
Oh, my brave boys! You are safe! I did it, Mom!
I protected our family. We used the snow trap. Squeak! We are safe. What do you think we will see tomorrow? I don't know, but whatever it is, we will see it together.